You have cockroach problems, especially German cockroaches, in your business, home, or even your offices? You maybe tried to exterminate the cockroaches by yourself using different kinds of pest control products, such as aerosol liquid spray, gel bait, boric powder. Even after doing all of these and killing a lot of cockroaches, you see the infestation level is worse than before. You may start seeing the cockroaches in your entire property, even in the ceiling, the toilet, in your laundry room, on your bed. Hi, I'm Amanda. Welcome to B2B Pest-control-Sydney. Today I will discuss why the German cockroach is spreading in the entire property, why most of the time you are not successful in controlling German cockroaches by yourself. How can you control German cockroaches by yourself or prevent reinfestation after doing the pest control service? Most of the time, people buy cheaper repellent aerosol or liquid insecticide from their local grocery shops. These kinds of products have an overpowering smell that spread cockroaches over the entire property, instead of staying in the kitchen area or the living room. It crawls on the ceiling, enters the bedrooms, laundry area. Another reason is German cockroaches have a massive reproductive capability. It could multiply its infestation level within a short time if you fail to control it in a specific time period. So, our suggestion is to try to avoid using this kind of smelly repellent insecticide to control German cockroaches. Even if you want to use any pesticide, read the product label, then use it according to its instructions. Prevention is always better than cure. There are some tips to control German cockroaches in your property and prevent them from reinfestation after doing pest control. First of all, try controlling them by maintaining hygiene in your property that can reduce the cockroach. Especially at night, try to keep the kitchen area dry, make sure no water is in the sink, on the benchtop, washroom area. Try to cover all food adequately, remove all rubbish, trash from the bin regularly. Try to use a sealed lid bin. When bringing groceries to your home, especially egg trays, onions, potato, noodle boxes or any cupboard boxes, make sure they are cockroach free. Throw out any unwanted plastic bags, cupboard boxes from your kitchen area. If you live in a unit apartment, use a door draft stopper on the front door. That may help you to prevent German cockroaches entering your property from other units or apartments. You may buy this from Bunnings, eBay, Amazon or from any other retailer. It is most important to try to control German cockroaches as soon as possible before large infestation starts. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch pest control related videos. If you have any pest problems, please call us on 0450 221393 for a free quote. You can visit www.b2bpestcontrol.com.au. There are free tools so you can calculate your initial price for pest control service in fewer than 30 seconds.